Hello, our lovely learners! Welcome to our channel. Today's grammar is going to be about the use of neither and either and both. I know it can be confusing sometimes, so watch this video to find out more. After this video, the free grammar quiz is waiting for you to check your understanding of this rule. Let's get started. As I mentioned before, today's grammar is about either, neither, and both. To begin with, to clarify about pronunciation either or either, neither or neither, both pronunciations are accepted as correct, and which one is used often depends on where the person lives or personal preference. At first, we start today with the word both, which means the two. For example, both cakes are delicious. Both tables look quite suitable for working at. In these examples, both works together with a noun, but sometimes both is used without a noun. For example, which cake would you like, cherry or chocolate? I want both. Sometimes both is used with the preposition of. Both of the cakes are delicious. Both of the tables look quite suitable for working at. Let's look at the next two sentences. Both cakes are delicious, or both of the cakes are delicious. It is up to you to choose which both to use. Both sentences are correct. When we want to highlight that not only something applies for one situation or a person, but also for another, we use both and. For example, both the cherry cake and the chocolate one are delicious. Both the white table and the brown one are nice. Let's now talk about either. We use either when we are offered two options, or we have two options where particularly both options are comfortable for us. For example, which cake would you like, cherry or chocolate? Either. I like all cakes. Also, we can use either with of plus them, my, these, those, and so on. We can watch either of these films tonight. In this sentence, if I am going to watch a film, that film or the other one is fine for me. The construction either or is telling us about two options which we need to choose from. For example, to get to our home, we can take either a train or a bus. Would you like a cherry cake or a chocolate cake? Neither. I am not hungry. What can we see in this example? Here I have two options, but I can't choose. These options are not good for me. And in this case, we use neither. For example, in the restaurant, neither cake is expensive. In this example, there are some cakes, but whatever I choose, it will be affordable, and so I can choose what I want. Also, we can use neither with of plus them, my, these, those, and so on. Neither of these dresses suits me. It means that I have got two dresses, but both of them do not suit me. Neither of us will come to the party. It means that no one will come to the party. Pay attention. After neither of, we can use a singular or a plural verb, but plural is more informal. The construction neither nor is used to talk about options which are not good for us. Neither these shoes or those shoes are comfortable to wear. Please compare some examples. Both of these shoes are comfortable. I can't choose, I think I will buy both pairs. Either of these shoes is comfortable. I don't mind which to buy. Neither of these shoes is comfortable. I will not buy either. So I hope that was a clear explanation. In the video description, there is a link. Please follow the link to do the grammar quiz and check for yourself if you understand the grammar rules correctly. Thank you for watching, and if this video was helpful for you, please don't forget to subscribe and like, as it is much appreciated. Thank you and goodbye.